Teaching you how to make a YouTube short with iMovie. So first we're going to start out with showing you the stuff that we're going to use. So let's get right to it. What you're going to need for this tutorial is your Nintendo Switch, a phone, or some other thing that runs iMovie. In my case, a MacBook. Alright, you go to your album and press A. Then you go down to the thing you want to put up, press on it, and then press A, sharing and editing, and then you can send to your smartphone. And then it's going to show you a QR code, and you got to scan that to connect to its Wi-Fi, quote unquote, and then scan it so that you can get it on Safari. And I got a screen recording that I screen recorded on my phone that'll catch you up from there. So now, once you have it on your phone after scanning the second QR code, you press download. And then it asks if you want to download it. It's just got a bunch of random numbers because that's the file name. So press download. Look down in the bottom left, it's downloading it right now. And then once it's finished, you'll see when it's got blue with a white arrow, come down to downloads, and here it is. So now all you got to do, press on it, press on the thing down in the bottom left, and airdrop it to your device. Alright, let's go. Alright, so if you have iMovie, of course you go to Create New. Create Movie, not Trailer, because that's something completely different that I don't really know how to use. So here's a movie. Rather than going to Import Media, the way I like to do it is I like to save it. Like with this computer, it has downloads, so I can just drag it in. It's a lot easier than going through here, because there's just all of this stuff it could be. Just stinks. You got your recording right here, so you want to make it into where it's good enough for a YouTube short. So you go up here, you crop it, you turn it to the right, then you crop to fill. Then you move it right exactly into the middle, and then it's in the YouTube short format for it to be able to be used as a YouTube short. And now it's time to add the text and stuff like that. It's going to appear like sideways on the thing, but that's okay though. Alright, let's get into the actual editing part. And here we go. I have my finished short here. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to either exit out or go to right here. It's a little bit better if you go right here because it's easier. Put export file and then put it on, I go 720p in quality high so that it doesn't take up very much memory. But you can go as high as you want. For some reason that let me go 1080p. Yeah, and compress faster. It'll go by faster or better quality. I go faster so that I can post it quicker. And then just name it My Movie 10. And then because it's only a 9-second video, it'll take it about 5 seconds. And then it's finished. Should show a thing any second now to show that it's finished. Okay? Now what you gotta do is we're gonna go down to no, give me a second to find it. Sometimes it's a little tricky. Alright, I found it. So when you press here, actually you change your thing to gallery. It's a little bit easier. And then you press rotate left and boom, it's in the YouTube short format. And now you just gotta save. Now you just go to your YouTube channel. Here it is. And now you just create, upload video. And drag the recording. And then just name it everything you want and stuff like that. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. See y'all next time. Bye.